Hi everyone, welcome back to Nurse Catherine here. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a Educational Tuesday video. In today's video, I will be starting a new series to prepare you for NCLEX. What I will be focusing on for you guys is your lab values. So today will be week 1 and there will be 4 weeks that I go through lab values that you should know while taking your NCLEX exam. In today's video, we are going to start with a CBC, complete blood count. Now, I won't be reviewing every single little blood count that a CBC brings back, but I will be reviewing the major values you should focus on for your NCLEX exam. Also, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video for NCLEX review questions about what we are talking about in today's video. On the screen next to me, you will be seeing the lab value that I am talking about and also the normal limits of what this lab value should be. And I also want you to keep in mind that these lab values can differ for women versus men. And in these lab values, we are talking about adults only. We are not talking about pediatrics. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. The first level I want to talk about is hemoglobin, also labeled as HGB. A normal range for hemoglobin for men is 13.5 to 17.5, and for women is 12 to 15.5 grams per deciliter. Next, let's talk about hematocrit, also known as HCT when reading this on your lab values. First, let's talk about what hematocrit actually is. Hematocrit is the volume percentage of red blood cells in your blood. Hemoglobin, on the other hand, is a protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen to the rest of your body. Now that is in very layman's terms of understanding. And next, let's talk about platelets. So a normal platelet count is from 150,000 to 4,500,000. Having more than 4,500,000 is called thrombocytosis, and having less than 150,000 is called thrombocytopenia. In very layman's terms, platelets are small cells that help your body with clotting. Now let's talk about 2 more things that you may find in a CBC. First, we are going to talk about your red blood cells. Now this I didn't necessarily need to know too much for NCLEX. The more important cell count that you had to know was your white blood cell count, which we will talk about next. But a normal range of red blood cells for a man is 4.7 to 6.1, and for a woman is 4.2 to 5.4. Now lastly, let's talk about white blood cells, also known as WBCs, and this is the same for a man and a woman. This range would be from 4,000 to 11,000. This I found to be the most important cell count to know for NCLEX exam. And that is the end of this video, but guys, don't forget to stick around for the NCLEX review happening now.